So we're on a mission today. And I say mission because what we're gonna do is recreate a little bit of our childhood. So we've got the surf skates with us today. And what we're gonna be doing is recreating one of the favorite things that my brother and I used to do when we were kids. And that is turn the city into our own private skate park. Now you may remember what this is like. Basically you go out, you look around, you find features around your city that allow you to use your skateboard like it's supposed to be used. Now obviously I'm getting a little bit older, I'm freaked out about rails and stairs and all those kind of things, but the surf skate is allowing me to go out and adventure again, reestablish some of that nostalgia that we had as a kid, and experience the city again in a whole brand new light. So when you're a kid, you just see things from a different perspective. Walls look more like waves. In fact, this is a piece of architecture in our city that we've walked across many times. And it wasn't until I had a skateboard in my hand that I looked at it and said, that's a barrel. In fact, there's a barrel on this side and a barrel on that side. It's time to get tubed. So as an adult, we come to parks like this to relax, to go for a walk. But when we were kids, we'd come and see a whole concrete playground for us to explore. Now with the surf skate, it's time to explore again. Okay, now that we've warmed up with little spots around the city to get us comfortable, it's time to come check out the local skate park. And this can be a little bit intimidating, especially for somebody who's been off a traditional skateboard for years. But these things have some incredible bowls, offer some incredible flow, perfect to try out the surf skate and really start working on our wall turns. Let's go check it out. Today's video was made possible by Tailorshape. They make incredibly fun surf skates that help you reclaim your own childhood nostalgia. They've got tons of different styles for you to choose from. In this video, my brother was riding the slightly shorter Blue Beach model, while I was riding the Legion board, which is just slightly longer. Both boards were incredibly fun and should offer anybody an amazing experience who's wanting to get into the sport. You can check out all of their options by using the Amazon link in the description box below or going directly to their website. Friends, thanks so much for watching. Now go out there and skate like a kid again.